thing called a bam bam. The people say all Jamaican, with a different style, different fashion. You know? Tell me say one thing Nancy can't understand. One thing Nancy can't understand. What make them a talk about me ambition? Say what make them a talk about me ambition? Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. Just some of them a ask me where me get it from. I told them no, it's from creation. I told them no, it's from creation. Bam bam, hey yo, what a bam bam, bam bam. Sound like Christy Biscuit. You come in at the place and me say well slick. You bam bam, hey yo, ta wata bam bam, bam bam bilang, bam bam, bam bam bilang, bam bam, hey yo, ta wata bam bam, hey yo, say wata bam bam. That's some of them a say you a come and shout them plan. I told them no, me a one business woman. Sister Nancy she a 1 in a 3 million. Sister Nancy, she a 1 in a 3 million. So bam bam, say what a bam bam, bam bam bilang, bam bam, bam bam bilang, bam bam. Hey, say go, Sister Nancy, make you go. I tell you say fi go, Sister Nancy, make you go. I know it from me head straight down to my toes. I teach her down, Sister Nancy on the go. And some of them a ask her, Sister Nancy, make you bad so. Long down the list, Sister Nancy, make you bad song. He bam bam, what a bam bam. He bam bam bilang, bam bam. He bam bam bilang, bam bam. What a bam bam. Hey yo, tell me say what a bam bam. This woman, I never trouble no one. I'm a lady, I'm not a man. MC is my ambition. One thing Nancy can't understand.
Biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy man. Bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy man. Biddy man, I'm a coin, get a man, get a man. Hey. Early Sunday morning, it was a big ganja smuggling. Hey. Inna the mud, me a pick a labor, and me a load them down in a tub. Hey. One by one, load up the van. All of the ganja it ram. Put it on a plane, go we gonna Spain. Money just a pour like rain. Me just a muggle up the lane in a rope gold chain. Hey, me and me girl named Jane. Bangang giddy men den. Better men a mocoin, better men den get a yoin. Dang dang diddy dang, giddy men den, get a men den, get a men den, get a men den, get a men den. Down there in the ghetto I go, where sufferation I once know. Mommy and daddy all are we so poor, we all had to sleep on the floor. Storm it come and it blow down me door, me have to nail up me window. Me shoes tear up, me toe dust a show, me no know how if he really run go. Mommy does a ball, poor, me cry, she say don't cry no more. Dang diddy dang, giddy men den, better mo coins, then a men den, get a coin. Dang diddy dang, get a men den, better mo coin, get a men den, get a coin. schooling. Hey. Inna the mud me a pick and the butter me a load them down in a tub. Hey. One by one, load up the van, all of the ganja it ram. Put it on the plane, going gonna Spain. Money just a pour like rain. Me just a muggle up the lane in a gold rope chain. Hey, me and me girl named Jane. Dang dang diddy bang gang, giddy bang gang, giddy men, me na go coins, spend then get a man. Bang gang, giddy bang gang, giddy bang gang, giddy men, me na go coin, gang get a man. Down there in the ghetto I go, where tribulation I once know. Mommy and daddy, all are we so poor. We all had to sleep on the floor. Hey. Time it come and it blow down me door. Me happy nail up me window. Me shoes tear up, me toe dust a show. Me no know how if he really run go. Mama tell me no rob broke store. Police beat you, make your back sore. Hey. Dang dang diddy dang dang, giddy bang gang, giddy men, better boy, better be the beden, eh? Better the coin, better boy, better get a coin, better the man, eh? Tell them, eh? Tell them,
True love I now exist is the love I can't resist. So their homeland. Yes, shipped to every corner of this earth. Boy, bound in shackles and chains like their beasts. Yes, they would be spanked with many stripes by the master. Boy, if they should ever not do just what they're told. Yeah, it really grieves my heart to see it's pure brutality. Oh yes. Whoa, whenever I recall my history, it grieves my heart to see how they treated our foreparents in the days of slavery. Slavery and brutality, that's all they give me. Whoa, that's all they give me. Yeah, I know. Oh, nay, nay, nay. I know, nay, oh, nay. My heart is filled with grief when I remember, whoa, how they've taken our foreparents from their homeland. Yeah, shipped to every corner of this earth. Whoa, bound in shackles and chains like their beasts. Yeah, they would be spanked with many stripes by the master. Whoa, if they should ever not do just what they told. Yeah, it really grieves my heart to see it's pure brutality. Yeah, my heart is filled with grief when I remember. Yeah, how they've taken our foreparents from their homeland. Boy, shipped to every corner of this earth.